Have you ever wondered how printers evolved from big, noisy monsters to the sleek wireless and even 3D printers we see today? The story of printers is more than machines. It's about innovation, creativity, and the way we humans share knowledge with the world. Printers are everywhere, in homes, offices, schools, even hospitals. But their journey? It began over 60 years ago. And with every step, printers transformed the way we work, learn, and create. The 1960s, the age of impact printers, the line printer, a giant that thundered with every page. And then, the dot matrix printer, loud, slow, rough. But back then, this noisy device was a revolution, powering governments and big businesses. Then came the game changer, the laser printer. Born at Xerox in the 1970s, it was fast, precise, professional. By the 1980s, offices around the world relied on it. Suddenly, printing wasn't a burden, it was power at your fingertips. And then, the inkjet revolution. Printers got smaller, quieter, affordable. For the first time, families could print school projects, essays, and even vibrant photos at home. Companies like HP, Canon, and Epson turned printing into something personal, for students, for parents, for dreamers. The 2000s brought us the true multitaskers, printers that could not only print but also scan, copy, and fax. And when wireless printing arrived, no more tangled cables. Printers became the ultimate office companion. And today, we live in the era of smart printing. But the biggest leap? 3D printing. These machines don't just put ink on paper, they create real objects, from toys and tools to prosthetic arms, even parts for rockets. From the noisy dot matrix, to the elegant wireless, to futuristic 3D printers. This journey is proof of how far technology can go when we dare to imagine more. And the future? Maybe holographic printing, maybe completely paperless worlds. One thing is certain. The evolution of printers is far from over. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the future of technology has so many more stories to tell.